this is the Jeep that I just traded my Mini Cooper for. I basically found somebody on Facebook. I had this old Mini Cooper that was falling apart at the seams, and we went to DMV and we literally traded pink slips. We're gonna do a walk around of the Jeep, check it out, see if I got a good deal or a bad deal, who knows? Take a look at this paint. He actually took, get this, he took bed liner and sprayed the entire Jeep with bed liner paint. Who does that? He said, I wanted to make it look cool. The tires were what hooked me. The tires are good. I got 4 solid tires all the way around. So let's take a look inside. I've never, I drove it home, but take a look at what we got in here. This is an absolute mess. See all these wires hanging out down here? The dashboard looks absolutely old and rotten. Let's take a look at the carpet. I'm gonna take the carpet out and see what's underneath. I'm gonna need to get some scissors to get this sucker out. Good Lord. Doesn't look pretty, but carpet's cheap. I could put new carpet in. You never know. Check out the back. All right, I've got a back seat. The floor looks like garbage. I'm gonna pull this sucker out. Ugh. Something gross. Ugh, that's part of the door. Let's take a look in here. What do we got? I can probably redo that. Get some black paint and paint that. I think I'm gonna have to unbolt these right here because the carpet's kind of underneath the seat. If I take that seat out, I'll probably get the carpet out. Taking the seats out is not a bad idea. The seats are in good shape. Kind of surprised about that. They actually look pretty good. The stick shift looks okay. Let's pull the carpet back and see what's underneath. All right. Okay, this side's not bad. No big holes. I could definitely clean that up. Let's go over here. Check out this door. This sucker right here. Watch. Woo! It's totally free-flowing. And then let's see what happens when I pull the carpet out. There's definitely some daylight going through there. Check that out. There's a hole in the floor. Okay, so this is the back. And this tire, I tried to open the door, right? But it doesn't open. So I got to get that tire out. So the only way to get the tire out is to use every muscle in your body. So here we go. All right. Ugh. Oh my God. There we go. The whole vehicle's going back and forth. Watch this. Okay. I think I got it out. All right, let's see if I can get this open now. Here's a confession. When I was at DMV, right, and we were trading pink slips, and the guy says, here's my Jeep. I'll trade you for your Mini. I went, okay, let's open the back. So we got this back open and a big thing of mud came crashing out on the ground. Might be stuck. Oh, we gotta go a little further. Oh. All right, let's see if we can get this anymore. Now I think we can get it, maybe. Ah! I need some help here. I'm gonna show you inside the back. All right, random metal piece. No idea what that is. There is a seat back here. I'm gonna, I don't know what that was. Let's come a little closer. All right, I'm gonna get in here. Okay. All right. So I can basically move this. Oh, he told me. He said, the rear view mirror is back there somewhere. You just have to glue it on. How do you glue that on? Good Lord, I need a little pad or something in there to glue that. There's a whole bunch of mud under the seat. And there's carpet. Oh, Ooh, there's carpet under here. Let's take a look at this carpet. If I can pull the carpet up, maybe I can get some of this mud out of here. Ah! It's nailed. It's bolted to the floor. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ooh. So I've got a good solid floor under there. I'm gonna have to get some scissors to cut this whole mess out of here. It looks like I can take all the seats out pretty easily. And once I get the seats out, I think this carpet is gonna come out pretty easily. So there's a project. That whole flooring could be repainted. This could be repainted. It could actually look pretty nice in here. All the metal solid. It's not rusted through. We're gonna take the seats out maybe tomorrow. And then get the carpet out and then do some scrubbing, I think. Here we go. I'll close this. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to close this thing. We'll take a stab at it. I think I need some grease. Oh yeah. This thing is really tough. He said, I lost the pin for this thing right here. There's a little pin that goes in the bottom. He said, I lost the pin. He goes, but don't worry, it won't come open. You don't need it. And now I see why. I definitely don't need it. Oh, victory. I got it closed. Okay, now we're gonna take a look underneath because I think the frame is really good. Let's see if we can get underneath this thing. We're gonna go down. So check out the muffler, right? Check this out. We've got rust, but the little metal doohickeys, they look good. I don't see that they're rusted through or anything. Everything looks pretty good. The pan under here is rusted, all right? That pan is a mess. That thing is gonna have to be replaced. And I don't know if that's just sheet metal or what that is. And I know that that muffler is definitely bad. When I drove it home, the muffler was like, you know, it was really, really loud. And I thought, oh, that's not gonna work. Look at the frame under there. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's see. Under here, frame. All frame. Looks freaking awesome. There is nothing wrong with that frame. That frame is good. And look under there. Like, I was expecting a shit ton of rust under here, but there really isn't. There really isn't that much rust. You know, it's a little orange from rust right there, but that's not rusted through. And look under here in the wheel well. I don't know what's going on under here, but look, no rust, no rust. It looks good. And my favorite part is the cattle crusher. The cattle crusher is really good. All right, this looks like it has a little rust over here, but not severe, not bad at all. Yeah, look, the frame, good, all the way around. And the rear bumper, pretty good. I'm gonna open the hood. Okay, now. All right, the hood's coming open. Boom. There's an actual motor in there. Let's see if we can take a look at it. All right, let's look inside. There's a lot going on in there. Anybody knows anything about cars? You can tell me if I got a good deal or a bad deal. So there's inside, somebody said good motor. That's good. This thing is a stick shift. I absolutely love a stick shift. And that's what sold me on it, was that it is a stick shift and it drives like a dream, actually. It drives really, really well. Here's the oil. Let me see if I can pull it. Boom. Let's see. Clean. The battery was just replaced, according to said man who traded me pink slips for this thing. And look, there's some new parts down in there. He says new oil filter. The motor looks pretty good, but check this out. Absolutely brand new headlights. So, yeah, brand new headlights. All right. Yeah, it does look pretty good in there. It does look pretty good. Everything looks functional and new. And you know what I like about it? With the Mini Cooper, I couldn't get my hands inside of there, and I didn't know what I was looking at. Everything was machine controlled. This thing is old, 1993. And because it's old, it has a lot of space, and you can really get in there and you can really fix things. It runs like a champ, actually. The four-wheel drive worked. I drove it all the way home. It didn't seem to have any problem. I could shift it good. It was a little bit grumbly shifting into third gear. What I'm thinking is maybe I theme this thing. Like maybe I do a theme. Like maybe I keep it black sprayed like this, and maybe I make it into like an ocean Jeep. That's the unboxing of said Jeep, which got swapped for pink slips for Mini Cooper. Don't forget to follow.